everybody, good evening and welcome to tonight's introductory video for simplerstocks.com. After I do this video, of course, I go do the premium video for the subscription content. But for tonight's short video, wanted to recap a couple of trade recommendations, and in so doing outline the importance of your understanding of this concept. Very simple concept, but these are some recent IPOs and the exact trades as recently recommended on these. One, FitBit, recent IPO just a couple of days ago. You see the IPO range, albeit the news was that this was to actually IPO around $14, $15, maybe $16. It actually came out in the $30 range. But anyway, the range high on the IPO puts it up to almost $32, so I elected to go just a hair above the $32 mark there, and with a buy stop, allowing to take advantage of this idea or this position should the trade exceed the high of the IPO range there. That brings us in to this around $32 and maybe a couple of pennies. And just today we see this up to in excess of $40, so obviously quite successful there for the FitBit trade. Another was BITI, Therapies, very recent IPO, range high almost $21, so I elected to come in with a $21, and it doesn't matter, it can be 1 penny or 5 pennies or whatever you wish, but basically $21 and just a little change. And that one comes in, is elected, and trades pretty quickly, immediately up into 25 and some change. So there's a very quick, rather handsome actually profit potential in that. And then we'll go make the case here with Wingstop. Recent IPO, range high, approximately $32, $31.99 actually was the high. So I'm coming in with a $32 and some pennies buy stop here, and that's not been elected. What has happened though, and I did not take this short. I really didn't have any interest in the short side. Had you, with the same concept of the breach of the IPO range, been interested in short, obviously you can see that would have been successful. I didn't have any interest in that, and so running a buy stop above the high at $31.99, as you can see right there at like $32 and some pennies, $32.06, and that's Wingstop, W-I-N-G. But just tonight to revisit some of these recent trade recommendations, and in doing so wanted to make sure that everybody understands this very simple concept of just observing essentially the IPO and noting its range, and then just if you have an interest in participating in that particular ticker, then obviously you can run a buy stop just a tad bit above that, and there we go. $32 trades 40 in a session, so real nice return here, FitBit. And anyway, hope this helps. You guys have a good trade, nice evening, and of course we'll catch you again at the a future update.